go.
I get the little one. I get.
The little one's on the other side. Watch out for the wire, don't trip.
Oh, there's the little one.
Smart kid, man. Smart cookie.
This one?
Damn wind. Stuff over there.
And then I do this one.
So you're gonna do the little one and then the big one and then the little one and then the big one?
No, Daddy does that one.
Oh, I get the little one and you get the big one? Why is that?
What are you doing?
Screwing.
She's screwing, Mommy.
And this one. And the window blow that.
See how this works? See how this works? Look, I'll show you. Watch. See this? You put this on here, and then you put it on there, like that. And see, watch I do. Okay? I took it off. But you know what? I got the wrong size. So that's not going to work.
Oh, the wrong side.
Yeah, I have to get the right size. Which is what? It is 12. Now why have that?
Oh, clock.
Oh, here we go. Goes in here. This one in there. How you doing? Did you get the screw out?
Yeah.
You did?
And then,
You took the screw out?
yeah.
Good.
And then I get this.
Which one?
That one.
You get that one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have that one. That's called a wrench. Let me see. That's a. No, this is a 10mm wrench. Can you say 10mm? You know, you're right. You put it exactly on the right nut too. There's not a lot of 10mm on here. She went right for the right one.
I get a big one. I get the big one. I get a big.
Oh, baby, these are tight. That one's too big. Yeah, tight.
And then I get this. And then I put this.
Oh, you're lining them all up nice and neatly, I see. Very good. Good helper. Wow. Man, suckers are tight.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
I need a something.
You need a something? Okay.
Daddy, what is something? Oh.
This is a nut. I had to take it off. I have a whole bunch of them I got to take off.
And then you do this.
Good girl.
And then you use the little one.
You can use the little one. That's right.
And then you this. Daddy, here.
That's the wrench.
Here.
No, I don't need that right now. I need to take, watch out, watch yourself.
Wow.
Tight. It's very tight.
Hey, oh.
That's funny?
Yeah. And then, this little one.
Is that little one? Okay.
Come here. Come here.
Thank
The
you.
bicycle. You have to put the bicycle.
This is a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Mommy, I had to put the spring in there.
Where?
Right there. Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So upside down.
I have it upside down?
Ooh.
Like this.
Oh.
Tight.
Okay. Like this. Am I doing it right now?
No, Mom,
No.
you're doing it backwards.
Mommy, you're doing this backwards.
I'm sorry. You do it.
Can't. Come on, can't.
I'm looking.
Okay, now see? And then I get the big one. And then you put this in a hole.